My name's David Feeney, Technical Manager with Urgo Medical. I've been working at Urgo now for 15 years and we've been making made-to-measure hosiery for something like 12. On the first day, we received orders for 5 pairs of hosiery, which we thought was absolutely fantastic, and we were absolutely over the moon with what we'd got. In the first month, we did about 200 pairs. Again, we were really pleased with that. At the moment, we are processing in the region of 300 pairs per day. So in total, on a weekly basis, we're manufacturing 1,500 pairs of made-to-measure stockings. That makes us probably the largest manufacturer of made-to-measure hosiery in the country. And I truly believe that we're as good as anybody in Europe at what we do. Let's talk about the manufacturing process. The orders come in to the customer services department, who process the order and pass them down to manufacturing. In the made-to-measure office, the knitting programs are developed and passed through into the knitting factory where the stockings are knitted. They're examined and they're then forwarded onto the finishing and packing department, where any sewing that's required is carried out. Once the order's finished and completed, it's popped into an envelope and given to the Royal Mail to deliver to the pharmacy. Because everything that we manufacture is a medical device, everything is checked on a regular basis for quality and performance. We have 3 ranges of products. We have Altiform, which is manufactured to the British standard, Altiven, which is manufactured to the European standard, and we have Altipress, which is a leg ulcer treatment system. It's very easy to find a manufacturer who will make you 1,000 or 10,000 just the same. Here at Urgo, we will make you a single stocking, which is unique and bespoke for you. What we make is really special. It's not just a stocking. Patients often need these products, so they will make a difference to their lives. By supplying or prescribing Urgo Compression Hosiery, you'll be supplying a product made with care by people that care.